ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. Just in case you didn't know, you can actually use your controller as a sensor to type your text. So you can add your text as you normally would, choose the font, get to the point where this keyboard is on screen, and then instead of using the D-pad to flip between all the letters that you want to add, what you can do, so this is how it is normally, you can just flick between them, but if you go to this button at the bottom, you all click R3, it changes your controller into a sensor and you can just add the letters that you want to from there. If you want to turn it off, just push R3 again or push circle and it will take you off of there. But it's nice to have an option, and a lot of people really do like this method, so totally up to you to try. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.